I just came out of adoration. The 25th to the 26th night is overnight adoration. It's when the public message of Our Lady is coming every 25th of the month. And let's have a quick look here around at the sanctuary in the morning, how things are going. See, they have like at the moment confessions until late in the evening. You see here still the chairs. Priests really take time here to confess. If you come, there are a lot of priests and you can confess and have like a long talk about questions or burdens of your life. Priests take time here and just beautiful, you know. It's a big part of Medjugorje is confession. It's called the confessional of the world. And you will see when you do confession, as my brother said, when he did a live confession, the air was cleaner, the grass was greener, and the light was like just clearer, you know. You see, there's Our Lady. Isn't that beautiful? And you see there's already a mass here in the chapel. You can hear it. Here you can see the masses in the morning when you come. There's this TV screen. You have the Franciscan bookshop, which is here. Here you can order masses for your loved ones. It's the parish home, we would say, no, the parish center. There's the other bookshop and St. James Church, which is over there. And I leave you with this beautiful view on St. James Church.